Hey, what's up guys, it's Globanic, back with another video. Happy 2018 everybody, so make sure you're subscribed. So today's tutorial is about getting that icon in your home screen and written as your own logo, with your own logo and your text. So that is actually an app. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this kind of icon. So let's get started. So let's open up Play Store. Over here you're just gonna get this app called Awesome Icon. A direct link to this app will be given in the description. Just click on that and it'll take you to the download page of this app. So go and open that app up. So click on open. So when you open the app, there will be a few options of apps that you can change the icon and the name. So basically you can select any icon. So you're not gonna use that app in the middle, so I'm just gonna change the icon of this app called Allo. So basically it's gonna take you to your gallery where you can select any photos. Just click on image and you'll find any photos. I'm in Adobe Photoshop Touch folder, so I'm gonna select this icon, which will represent or will be represented at the middle of my phone and my home screen. So I'll click on crop. You can actually select the whole picture if you want, so just click on crop and click go down, and then you'll find the label. So you can change this name to your channel name or whatever your name is. So I'm gonna change it to Globanic and click on done, and then you can actually click on protect icon. So like your icon you've selected, do not select icons are working fine, and this will just help it. So just click on OK and shortcut will be created. So I'll be seeing you in the home screen. Let's go. So now over here we're in the home screen, officially in my home screen. So if you can see, that icon has been created in the page. So just click on that icon, drag it down here, and there you go. So to mention one thing, this is still the app that you're using, the Google Alloy, but this is like a bit different one. Just don't click on it and it'll look like this. So it looks quite swaggy and it has your name on it, so it will look much genuine, much of a bit better. It just looks cool. So if you guys do want to try this out, go and download Awesome Apps and do the same. It's a really easy tutorial, so hope I helped you. Go and subscribe. Let's hit 1K subscribers soon. So I'm currently at 998, so let's do it guys. Thank you for all the things and see you later.